Before we dream about distant galaxies, we have to return to the place closest to us, our very first home in the cosmos, the solar system. A grand family held together by a single star, moving in quiet harmony through the darkness. Each world carries its own colors, histories, and mysteries, woven into a vast cosmic dance. At the center of everything burns the sun, the heart of this enormous symphony. For more than 4 billion years, it has been fusing light elements into heavier ones, releasing the energy that warms our skin, lights our days, and shapes the flow of life on Earth. From far away, it looks like a calm golden sphere. But up close, its surface is a sea of fire, boiling, twisting, exploding with arcs of plasma that curl and snap like giant flames dancing in slow motion. Its gravity keeps every planet on its path, guiding the entire system in an elegant, invisible rhythm. Closest to that burning star is Mercury, the smallest world in the system and one of the most extreme. Its surface is covered with scars, countless impact craters from ancient collisions. Without an atmosphere to hold heat, Mercury is divided into two realms: a scorching world of blazing sunlight and a frozen world of endless night. A single step can mean hundreds of degrees difference, a place where dawn and dusk feel like flipping a cosmic switch. A little farther lies Venus, a world that resembles Earth in size but could not be more different in nature. Its sky is thick and opaque, filled with yellowish clouds so dense that sunlight struggles to reach the ground. The atmosphere is heavy, pressing against the surface with immense weight. The heat is constant and overwhelming, and the winds sweep across its plains like fiery storms. Venus is beautiful, but it is a beauty wrapped in fire and pressure, a haunting mirror of what Earth might have become. Leaving that intensity behind, we arrive at Earth, the blue jewel glowing in the cosmic night. Here, everything seems perfectly balanced. Liquid water, breathable air, a gentle temperature, and a protective magnetic field. Earth doesn't just allow life, it nurtures it. Oceans regulate heat, forests create oxygen, clouds protect the surface, and the magnetic field shields us from the harshness of the Sunday. Every element works together in a fragile but astonishing harmony. Orbiting beside Earth is our loyal companion, the Moon. Quiet and gray, yet deeply important. The Moon stabilizes Earth's tilt, creates tides, and shapes the rhythm of our planet's oceans and climate. Its craters preserve billions of years of history, untouched and unaltered. Moving outward, we reach Mars, the red planet of dust and secrets. Its surface is carved by valleys, volcanoes, and ancient riverbeds. Ice hides beneath the soil, and the poles shimmer with frozen caps. Signs of flowing water from long ago hint at a tantalizing possibility, that life simple, early life may once have existed here. Mars feels like a silent diary, waiting for someone to read what happened in its distant past. Beyond the rocky worlds lies the realm of giants. First is Jupiter, the largest of them all, a world made not of land, but of swirling, layered clouds. Bands of color wrap around the planet, spinning in powerful winds. The Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth, has been raging for centuries, rotating like a massive scarlet vortex. Jupiter's gravity acts as a guardian, pulling in countless comets and asteroids, shielding the inner planets, shielding us from many cosmic threats. Next is Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. Its rings, delicate as silk yet made of ice and stone, shimmer like cosmic dust frozen in time. Look closely, and you'd see countless particles orbiting in perfect choreography, each reflecting the sun like tiny mirrors. Among Saturn's moons, Titan is one of the strangest. It has its own atmosphere, thick and orange. Lakes and rivers of liquid methane flow across its surface, forming an alien cycle of weather that mirrors Earth's in a completely different chemistry. Farther still lies Uranus, a pale blue world tilted so extremely that it seems to roll through space on its side. Because of this tilt, its seasons last for decades, creating slow, surreal shifts in its atmosphere. Then comes Neptune, deep blue and full of movement. It is the windiest planet in the solar system, with storms racing faster than sound. Beneath the swirling clouds lies a dark, high-pressure interior that remains a mystery. Leaving the planets, we drift into the asteroid belt, a region filled with ancient rocks, fragments left over from the solar system's earliest days. Each one is like a preserved page from the system's original story. Here we find Ceres, a dwarf planet with hidden layers of ice and unusual chemical traces. Its bright spots and strange surface patterns have sparked endless curiosity among scientists. Farther outward lies the Kuiper Belt, a frozen frontier where sunlight is only a faint echo. Billions of icy bodies drift here, untouched for billions of years. Among them is Pluto, the little world with a frozen heart-shaped plain. A thin atmosphere hugs its surface, and mountains of ice rise like slow, silent sculptures. Beyond everything we've explored stretches the immense Oort Cloud, a spherical shell surrounding the entire solar system. It is so vast that a single trip across it could take thousands of years. Inside it drift the oldest comets, the cosmic wanderers of deep time. The solar system feels familiar, but the deeper we look, the more it becomes a vast and intricate world full of stories waiting to be uncovered. It's more than just a home. It is the opening chapter of our journey through the universe. Stay curious. See you in the next story.